Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine with the grace of God. Today we will do an exercise on page number 11 from your course book of English. Let's we start. I will read the statement, so please listen very carefully. See whether the underlined groups of words are phrases or clause. We will find out the sentence is phrase or clause. First of all, try to understand the difference between the phrases and clauses. Phrases. Firstly, I am talking about the phrase. A phrase is a group of words that doesn't make sense on its own. It needs more words for it to make sense. It doesn't contain a subject and a predicate. Clear? Phrase is a group of words and also it needs more words for it to make a sense. इसे ज़्यादा words की ज़रूरत होती है to make a sense. And also it doesn't contain a subject and a predicate. Next one is clause. Some clauses are independent, which means that they express a complete thought. An independent clause is the same as a complete sentence. Okay, let's move on the exercise. First is I tripped but I finished the race. I tripped. I is a subject. I tripped. Sentence clear होता है. I tripped but I finished the race. लेकिन मैंने रेस को फिनिश किया. I tripped but I finished the race. So that's why it's a clause. इसमें two sentence clear होते हैं. Firstly, I tripped. Then, but I finished the race. Tripped and finished. Tripped and finished. So that's why it's a clause. Clear? Next one. While she was roaming around, roaming. One thing must be kept in your mind. First of all, try to find out the forms of verbs where we use ed and also ing. Second sentence, while she was roaming around, roaming ing. Sentence clear होता है. She got lost. Lost is also a form of verb. Clear? Roaming ing. She got lost. Lost is the form of verb. It make two sentences. First, while she was roaming around, and secondly, she got lost. So that's why it's a clause. Next one. The cat jumped over the table. In this sentence, only one form of verb, that is jumped. Ed. Jumped. So that's why it's a phrase. It make only one sentence. The cat jumped over the table. Cat ने टेबल के ऊपर जंप किया. The cat jumped over the table. जंप के ऊपर से उसको क्रॉस किया टेबल को. Clear? It's only one sentence. It make only one sentence. So that's why it's a phrase. Next, this is the calm before the storm. As you can see, in this sentence, there is no uses of form of verb and it make only one sentence. This is the calm before the storm. So that's why it's a phrase. Next one. The turtle smiled. Clear है कि जो turtle है वो smiled कर रहा है. One sentence, the turtle is a subject. Smiled, predicate. While it ate the strawberry. Ate is a form of verb. So that's why it's a clause. Okay. Next sentence. The prisoner sat between the two policemen. As you can see, there is no form of verb and also it make only one sentence. So that's why it's a phrase. The prisoner sat between the two policemen. It's a phrase. Next one is, the boat will take you across the river. The boat will take you across the river. As you can see, it make only one sentence. The boat will take you across the river. अगर आप बोट में जाएंगे, the boat will take you, आपको लेकर across the river, वो river को cross करेगी. Clear? There is only one form of verb, only take. The boat will take you across the river. Clear? Next one is, when he was transferred. जब वो ट्रांसफर हुए थे, his company helped him move there. Transferred, ed, helped, ed. So that's why it's a clause, because it make two sentence. When he was transferred, clear होता है कि वो ट्रांसफर जब हुए थे. नेक्स्ट, हिज कंपनी हेल्प्ड हिम मूव देयर. तब उनकी कंपनी ने उनकी हेल्प की थी. हेल्प्ड, ed, ट्रांसफर्ड, ed. So that's why it's a clause. Clear? In this sentence, there are two sentences. First is when he was transferred. Second, his company helped him move there. So that's why it's a clause. Okay. Okay, students, please solve it on your course book on page number 11. Thanks. Have a great rest day.